Imagine running your facility like a Formula One race team. In the world of elite racing, there is no guessing. Every bolt, every screw, every single component is digitally cataloged and ready for a split-second decision. In your facility, every door hinge, elevator relay, and circuit breaker is now part of a high-performance machine. You don't dig through dusty binders. You don't call 3 vendors and wait for a callback. And you never hope someone knows where the spec lies. You have MySmartPlans, the ultimate driver in the seat. Powering the engine is our proprietary AI platform, serving as the brain of your entire operation.
Need answers?
Just ask. Show me the replacement part for Terminal B East Vestibule Door Hinge. Order 2 backup relays for Lift 3. Add the install to next week's maintenance schedule. But even the best AI needs an elite team in the trenches. That's your Digital Information Librarian team, the DIL. They are your pit crew, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure every piece of data is curated, verified, and 100% accurate. A final click, a green check mark, and a team of facility managers walking confidently down a hallway. Visit our website at MySmartPlans.com and request your demo today.